Alright guys, what's up? Got 2016 Contenders hobby box here. I had to pay $170-ish for this. If I would have pre-ordered it, could have gotten it for really $130, but I figure the prices will go up. Alright, over here. Let me know what other places have it at. DA Card World, where I usually get it, was out. They'd been out of the pre-order for a while, and they didn't list any today, which means they completely sold out. This is the personal box. That's why there's a P on it. I've also got a group break I'm filling right now, filling pretty quick. Pick your team, 18 teams left. Follow me on Instagram, see my feed, it's right in there. Hopefully, pull something really good. The hobby shop I bought it from. Talked to the guy, he said that they had, He said that they'd been hitting every box open in the store, which was 5. Had more than 5 autos, had 6 or more. So hopefully that's the same with this. Alright. Now I already opened a blaster box, but just in case you're wondering. So it's dark up here with another color in the upper right. And then waves in the middle and white on the bottom. Nice design. Then the back. Got college, born, and that kind of stuff. So, Jordan Matthews, Larry Fitzgerald, Amari Cooper, Kevin White. Alright, first autograph, Jalen Smith. Not numbered, rookie card. Cowboys. Too bad that wasn't a back or anything, but really hoping I get cracked ice. That would make it worth. Sean Taylor. Travis Benjamin, Lamar Miller, Mark Ingram, Odell Beckham. No. So on average, there's a non-base 1 per 2 packs, it says. So, Aaron Rodgers, DeAndre Hopkins, Brandon Cooks, Brandon Marshall, Navarro Bowman. I'm thinking maybe the left has got the inserts or something. Let's see. Yeah, that's... Von Miller, Richard Sherman, Le'Veon Bell, Devin Funchess, Will Fuller, PC him, rookie year insert, that's nice. So, I'll just go right, left, just in case that's the case. Rashad Jennings, Mike Wallace, Jordan Nelson, Julian Edelman, Ray Lewis, legendary insert. Some weird Panini instant stuff. So it wasn't right, left, but still. AJ Green, Jason Witten, Rob Gronkowski, Terrell Pereira, and Dan Marino. And some Panini instant stuff. Matt Ryan, TJ Yeldon, Sammy Watkins, Julio Jones, Marcus Mariota, and it's only 1 hit so far, and I'm expecting 4 more at least. Trevor Siemian, Russell Wilson, Todd Gurley, Phillip Rivers, AJ Derby, rookie card, Patriots. So now we're at 2 hits. Again, hoping for more than just 5. Steve Smith Sr., Jones Jr., Marvin Jones, Brock Osweiler, Drew Brees, Eli Manning, Odell, sweet touchdown tandem, not numbered. I'm also interested to see how many numbered cards I get. I'm hoping for a few. I'd really like a cracked ice. That'd be awesome. Jordan Reed, Javarius Landry, David Johnson, Derek Carr. Okay, there's a numbered on-card auto. Keenan Reynolds, wide receiver for the Ravens, 32 out of 99, rookie. Pretty nice. Yeah, nice. So far, I'm enjoying it pretty much. Pretty good. Pretty good product. Jamal Charles, Andrew Luck, Doug Martin, Alshon Jeffrey, Ben Roethlisberger. Okay. So we're halfway or over halfway there on the autos. And I've seen as many as 8 autos be pulled in the box, so hopefully we aren't halfway there yet. Hopefully I get 8. Sam Bradford, Frank Gore, Eli Manning, Matt Forte, Sterling Shepard, Rookie of the Year, New York, pretty nice. He's been doing good lately. People like him. Matt Jones, Jason Witten, Rob Gronkowski, Terrell Pryor, MVP contenders, Matthew Stafford, Detroit Lions. If they do good in the playoffs, I guess, potentially. Kirk Cousins, Carlos Hyde, Joe Flacco, Dwayne Walker, yeah. Aaron Rodgers, MVP contenders, not numbered, but nice. Peyton Manning, auto would be sweet. Alex Smith, Jay Cutler, RG3, Tom Brady, Robert Quinn. Alright, still waiting on 2 more autos though. Bart Starr, J.J. Watt, Julio Jones, Marcus Mariota. Alright, sticker. Kevin Seymour, Bills, rookie card. Not numbered. Alright. Devontae Freeman, Allen Robinson, Khalil Mack, Matthew Stafford, Antonio Brown. Alright, at least 1 more auto, hoping for more. Jameis Winston, Zach Ertz, Javarius Landry, David Johnson, Derek Carr. Those cards, the base cards of those, I've seen a lot of. Even in the blaster, I hit like 2 Derek Carrs, or just not hit, but got base-wise. C.J. Anderson, Thomas Rawls, Alshon Jeffrey, Ben Roethlisberger, and Devontae Booker, Rookie of the Year. This like Panini gridiron thing. Ryan Tannehill, Carson Palmer, Calvin Benjamin, Des Bryant, Carson Palmer, numbered out of 249. Not bad. Just normal card numbered. Jeremy Malkin, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Blaine Gabbert, Cam Newton, Corey Coleman, Josh Doxson. Okay. There better be at least 5 autos. I do not want to get robbed on this one. Paid way too much for that. Andy Dalton, Jonathan Stewart, Tony Romo, Tavon Austin, round numbers, Canu Neal and Carl Joseph. One of these 2 better have an auto. Preferably those. Jeremy Langford. I think we do. Mike Evans, DeMarco Murray, Devontae Parker. Alright, good. Kendall Fuller, Redskins, rookie card. Not numbered, as it seems all of these vertical ones are. And that is going to be the last hit. Final pack. Here we go. Dak Prescott, something. Please don't do nothing on me. If I can get it open. Alright. Here we go. Backwards. Sweet. Sterling Shepard on-card auto. I know some people who want that, who will take that, who will buy that. So there we go. 6 autos, 2 on-cards. Sweet. Adrian Peterson, T.Y. Hilton, Melvin Gordon, and Golden Tate. Alright, well, that's 2016 Contenders Football Hobby Box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. You can check out some of my other videos, I'll be back with another video soon of the break. You guys can get in on that now that you see how good of a product it is. It's probably going to be 6 autos in there. Can't make any promises, but considering what I saw here and what I've been told, this case that I got out of was pretty sweet. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Hope you enjoyed the holidays. Stay safe, and good luck.